Hi guys, welcome to my channel WTG What's the Goss, and I'm back with another video with more tea, with more goss. And what is the goss? Okay, let's begin with our tea. So, as we know, Hakan Shanawaz Sabina Saeed got Nika fight couple of days ago, and yesterday they've got done with their Shendi celebration. After that, videos from celebration started popping up on my whole timeline, filled with dance, and more dance. Many industry people were seen there, from Sajjal Ali to Hania Amir, Kubra Khan, and who not. Everybody was there. You name it, and they were there. Dancing, having fun, all the dances were just so top notch, so amazing. Especially Kubra Khan dancing. I mean, she got a vibe. Whenever she's dancing, her energy is just too chill. I love her personality. Whenever she's just a chill girl, and many people are saying that she's expecting. I mean, we can't confirm it until she says it by herself, but if she is expecting, then congratulations, and if she's not, then we need to stop speculating things by our understanding. She's a chubby girl. If she has gained little weight, then it's okay. Coming on the dance, she danced. Sabina, even the bride, even joined her. Clearly was having a time of her life. She 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 was giving a total bridal energy, but a very chilled out bridal energy. I mean, seeing a bride chilling, dancing, having a time of her life is such a vibe. But what about the outfits again? ठीक है, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलती, इट्स देयर बिग डे, बट थोड़ा तो बोलूँगी वे बता एफर्ट्स, बट ऑल इन ऑल चलो शादी थी उनकी, हम कौन हैं उनको बताने वाले व्हाट शुड दे वेयर और नॉट. बट आई हैव टू से इट बिकॉज मेरी ज़बान नहीं रुक सकती है दैट द ब्राइडल आउटफिट वाज कम्प्लीटली ऑफ. It was off. Another dance I need to talk about is Zarar Khan's dance. He was so on point dancing. He didn't even miss a single beat in his dance. The moves, the energies was just impeccable. So all in all, these two dances were just a complete highlight for me from this wedding. And other girl who literally stole the thunder was none other than our dimple beauty Hania Amir. I mean, whenever she carries a sari, she is a delight to watch. What a beautiful sari, and how stunning she was looking in that fit. I loved her. I think she is kind of sari girl. Whenever she wears a sari, it looks so perfect on her. I don't know how, but she carries it with the ultimate grace always. So full points on her fit, full points on the face card. The wedding was fun, how wedding's supposed to be. So that's it from Hakan's wedding. I need to move on to another wedding. Oh yeah, Hanya also got a little emotional at the Rusti, which was kind of very adorable moment. It was a pure bestie moment. Okay, that's it. And then now one more wedding I'm going to talk just a little bit is the Shendi of Umar Alam again. I don't know much about him, but clearly guy got his connections in the industry. कौन नहीं था भाई शादी पर? Half of the industry was there, present, having fun. I mean, I never knew that he has so much friends in the industry, and he has. Um, I know कि Yasin Hussain is a friend of him, but इतने ज़्यादा दोस्त हैं कौन. एवरीबडी वॉज देयर. शहरिया, मुनव्वर, मोहिब मिर्ज़ा, ईमन मिनाल खान, मुनीब बट, यासिर नवाज, निदा यासिर, सबूर अली, हानिया आमिर, अरीबा हबीब, मंशा पाशा. Oh my god, it was a celeb galore, and I'm not exaggerating. You guys, everybody was present there, and I loved how Mohib Mirza and Yasir Hussain danced with Umar Alam. I mean, it was such a cutesy, fun dance. And that's it from weddings. I am bored and done with these weddings. और अब कितने और events क्यों ना हो शादी के, I'm not gonna talk about it. It really drains my energy. Everybody has videos on their timeline, and I don't know why I'm telling you or giving you this gossip, because everybody knows that the weddings are happening and everybody can see on their own timelines. So I'm not gonna talk about weddings anymore. Okay, 3 concert moments I'm gonna talk about. उसके बारे में भी सबको ही पता है, but I need to give my opinion on them because they were like, oh my god, highlight of the week for me, at least. One, this concert of Atif Aslam where he called a young fan on the stage and the fan was a besura. We all know that. But I need this kind of confidence in my life, guys. अगर मुझे में इतना सा भी confidence आ जाए, मैं ज़मीन पे चलूँगी नहीं, मैं आसमान में उड़ने लगूँगी. I mean, the energy of this guy is on another level. I think so. इसी same concert में the second moment I want to talk about is this fan or a star or what kind of a moment, I don't know. But Hassan Rahim was present at Atif Aslam's concert, vibing on his song, not actually on his own song, but he was performing a song and Hassan Rahim was vibing with him. Oh, this moment is a pure gold moment for me. Another concert happened of Asim Azhar where Miss Ma'am, my beauty, my gorgeous Myra Khan stole the light. I mean, honestly, nobody in this video is watching at Asim Azhar. Whole limelight is taken by Miss Light Mahira Khan. Like, she is a light in herself. I love her and I love the energy and I love the casualness. I mean, nobody can do this the way Myra Khan do things. I love her. I love the energy, the dance, the style. उफ, क्या क्या बोलूँ मैं इस औरत के बारे में. She is a moment, an icon. And that's it from this side. No, actually, Yumna Zaidi's new drama is coming up in few days. First teaser is out. Drama is called Dekh Magar Pyar Se. I mean, Yumna Zaidi is one of the actors who can literally and actually act. So let's see. We have to wait and watch to know what she's bringing to us this time. I hope it's good. And with this point, we have come to an end of today's Goss Sesh. Mm, I'll be seeing you tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, or the day after after tomorrow. I don't know when I'm going to see you next, but in my next video, I'll be coming up with the Saat Samandar Par Ki tea chai gossip. What is happening in Hollywood? I mean, जब से मैं वीडियोस कर रही हूँ तब से I've completely forgotten that वहाँ की भी तो बात करनी है. And ताज़ा ताज़ा Grammys हुए हैं, so I'll be seeing you in a bit or not in a bit, I don't know when, but for sure with Saat Samandar Par की खबरें. So stay tuned and wait for my next gossip sesh. Until then, खुश रहो, खाओ पियो, like, share, subscribe करो, and don't forget to shine, do not forget to thrive. Love you all. Bye.